Hello everyone. I got a new security camera which I'm gonna show you today. It's again like AOSU. It's like 5MP UHD Wi-Fi security camera and spotlight, which looks nice. Before I had another one, like one pair of camera, which it was working with a solar system. So this is like a nice one which has like a live view and recording history and Ultra HD video, real-time notification which is gonna send you through your phone with their application, which is their application QR code is right over here. You can download either on Google Play or Apple Store, and also it has like two-way talking, and also has like smart motion alerts, which if you see someone around your house, so we can send you a notification. And also it has like 360 panoramic view, and you can connect definitely through Wi-Fi, and it should be close to your Wi-Fi router. Just make sure when you set up it. And has like a motion activated LED spotlight. If there is someone, definitely it can turn it on the spotlight, and they can just like, if there are some like thieves, they can just run away. It has like full color day and night, which I'm gonna record some videos for you so you can see that. And also it has like security siren if there are some like thieves to try to get into your house, so you can definitely they can just run away because of the siren. And also it's resistant against all the weather conditions. Now I'm gonna open the box and check what we have inside it. In our package, as you can see, our like security camera, which is right over here. And also you should remove this film before using it. There are like some lights, like spotlights right over here, and this is our there are like some LED infrared lights. And also before using it, you need to have a card, micro SD card, to plug in right over here, so you can record it correctly. That is our like adapter, which you need to plug in the close to your wall, and a quick start guide, and also the mount, the sticker which you need to mount on the wall, and this screw pack, which you have like 4 of them. And now I'm gonna show you how to connect your camera to your application, and after that we're gonna record. I'm gonna mount on the wall on my window, so you can and I will just record some videos over there, which you will see the quality of the camera. And now let's start with the application, and after that we'll go to mount on the wall. Now I'll show you how to connect your security camera with the application. So now first I need to plug in my camera, and then now you'll see there is like green light. So after that it should pair, like has some flashing right over here on the green light. So now yeah, you can see it's ready to pair to your application, which you need to download AOSU. It's right over here. So after that you need to go right here, there's a plus to add your camera, which is right over here. So I'm gonna now add it, and after that you'll we will just record a couple of videos with our camera just right over here. So when you go over there, it asks you to select the Wi-Fi, which I'm gonna select my Wi-Fi and put my password.
The camera is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
Now it's connected to the router.
Save settings successfully.
Now it is connected. So you can choose here, right over here. As you can see, now I'm connected. Now it's right over here. I added, so I'm just gonna go and now I can see you perfectly. As you can see right over here, my camera. So you can definitely control your camera right here. And now it's time to mount on the wall, and after that I'll record a couple of videos.